Okay, so now we want to find the percentage of people that have a systolic blood pressure between 105 and 125. Again, we're just going to, in this problem, use the StatCalc normal applet to help us do the calculation. So when you open this window up, you want to make sure to select between, since we're interested in finding area between two numbers. So if you do that, and then enter the mean, 120 again, and standard deviation 8, and then enter here your left bound or your lower bound, 105, and then the second value enter is the upper bound or the right bound of 125. And what StatCrunch will do is it will give you this red shaded area. So it turns out that the percentage of people who have a systolic blood pressure between 105 and 125 is about 70.36%. Okay, you could do this problem by getting a z-score for 105 and a z-score for 125, and then using Table A. I show you how to do this in the Lesson 4 notes. Okay, finally, one more problem here, a related problem. And that is the question of find how high someone's systolic blood pressure needs to be to put them in the 90th percentile. Okay, so in terms of a picture, what we're talking about is the following. We've got blood pressure rates that have a mean of 120. And again, we could mark some standard deviations if we wanted to. But to be in the 90th percentile means your blood pressure, that's what we want to find, that box, is such that 90% of the people have blood pressure rates lower than yours. So this is sort of like what I like to call a backwards problem. I'm giving you the shaded area under the normal curve, and you need to find the corresponding blood pressure number. Okay, easiest to do this with StatCrunch. Again, go to StatCalc Normal and open up the app. And this time we're going to select Standard and put the mean in and put the standard deviation in. And then this is a backwards problem in the sense that I'm telling you the shaded area is 90%. So put 0.90 in this box and hit Compute. And what StatCrunch will do is to tell you what the corresponding blood pressure is. So it turns out it's 130 roughly, and that's that value. So if your blood pressure is about 130, about 90% of the people will have blood pressure rates lower than you.